friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to unpair ptron smartwatch from realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on realme mobile phone setting. When you move on it right now, you are going to find the connected devices. So click on this connected devices. After that only, this is the connected devices the ptron watch has been connected from before only. So if you want to disconnect it, just move on ptron smartwatch, and here is your forget option. Just click on forget, then click on forget device. Right now it has been unpair. You can unpair it like this. It doesn't mean that forget means it will be forget forever, it will make my device problem. It's not like that, because there is no disconnect option. It has given the disconnect option in the forget name. Okay, just click on forget, it will be disconnect successfully, and if you want to connect again, you just connect it. Okay, it will be possible. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.